Well, hi, I'm Abhishek Sajwan. I'm from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. Like I've been doing computer programming from when I joined the college, like in my first year. Like it's been the journey of around more than 3.5 years.
I'm Piyush Mehrotra. I'm also from IIT-Roorkee, and I've started competitive coding right after I came to college. And it has been a great journey since then. I've learned a lot of things, and it has really developed my mind.
What do you think about the coding culture in India? And are you seeing an improvement in the computer programming culture?
Yeah, I think that the the culture has been on a record high in India because there have been a lot of code coders now recently. There weren't any before, like a couple of years back.
Like you can check on Code Forces. Like there have been a lot of grandmasters in CF right now, and the culture has also risen. Like as you can see, that stats about SnackDown, ICPC, and all. You can check upon that. So it shows the way that people are more indulging in competitive programming.
So do you think contests like SnackDown, events like SnackDown help the computer programming community grow?
Yeah, because SmackDown gives a good exposure for the Indian participants as they actually meet the international participants also, like the great coders from outside. So it is a great experience and a learning experience from them. We actually make some contacts also to them, and it is a good learning experience.
Like the major part is the problems are very good.
Yeah.
The best part of SmackDown is the problems are very good. Like you have to think, like there's no such an application type problem. Like you have to think to solve any problem. Like there's no such application of an algorithm, but you have to strive towards the solution.
So for the people who haven't yet coded or for the people who haven't actually participated in a SnackDown contest yet, what would you like to tell them? So the people who will be basically participating next year.
Like I will tell them, like they're participating, like they should participate because it's a hell of an experience. Like SnackDown and ICBC regionals are different. Like the problem difficulty levels are also different. So it's better to take part in SnackDown at least.
Yeah, same points only.
Okay.
How important do you think SmackDown competition is for the girls?
I think I did ask them.
Yeah, about the fraternity.
Anything else that you would like to add? I mean, especially IIT-Roorkee, especially. So I'll just give this question, which is completely custom. Okay. In IIT-Roorkee, we are seeing a lot of people who are getting into computer programming. Do you think that it's because there is a coding culture in your particular institution?
Yeah.
Or can we actually instill this in students?
Yeah, so we have a really good coding culture. We have a good alumni base also who has been to us world finals, and because we have a group in our college which conducts regular lectures also. So we do not actually push students to do competitive. We just inspire them. We teach them the topics, and they are the ones who take the initiative to do competitive. And so it has been a good trend since then.
Their involvement is their own only. Like yeah, that's what he said. Like we don't push them. They're the one who ask us to teach them stuff so that they can improve in competitive programming. So we have a lot of lectures and all conducted in our college.
And do you think this will be useful if done for students at a very young age also? I mean, let's say.
Yeah, obviously. Like if they're already known about competitive, like of the basic algorithms, they can start on what we have started in the first year of our college. So they'll get an early push, a head start on the world of CP.
So the group culture is actually, I think, should be a little bit prevalent in school also, because they have computer clubs, but they should push this competitive programming and other things also in their computer clubs so that the students get exposure to such competitions and such coding contests.
Yeah, they should be taught algorithms. Like they should be taught how to apply the algorithms to solve something. Like they like right now in most of the schools, there is no such course or something which teaches them algorithms or try to teach them how to apply things to get to a particular result. So if that's incorporated, it's very much beneficial for the students.
Cool. Great, guys. Thanks for coming.